0 is a number and a numerical digit used to represent that number in numerals. It fulfills a central role in mathematics as the additive identity of the integers, real numbers, and many other algebraic structures. As a digit, 0 is used as a placeholder in place value systems. As we all know that 0 was invented by Aryabhat. Let's take more information about Aryabhat. The great Indian mathematician Aryabhata was born in 476 AD in Kusumpur, which was near Patna in Bihar. He has done important work in arithmetic. He has written many mathematical formula. For example, the formula to approximate root 2, the correct value of pi up to 4 decimals, pi equals to 3.1416. We understood and got more information about Aryabhat. But when and how was 0 actually invented? Let's see. Acharya Pingala, a Sanskrit scholar and an Indian mathematician, first used the Sanskrit word Shunya, referred to as 0. The word Shunya means void or empty. It is believed that the first test to use the decimal place value system includes 0 was first used in Jain text or cosmology named Lokavibhaga. This is where the term Shunya was used. The ancient Mayas used an empty tortoise like shell shape to display 0, but Indian historians say that it did not seem to have influenced global numerical system. Arab merchants encountered the 0 in India and carried it to the west. Aryabhata in the 5th century used 0 as a placeholder and in algorithms for finding square roots and cube roots in his Sanskrit text. Across the text, there are hundreds of zeros denoted using a dot. It's this dot that will later evolve to be the symbol with a hole in the middle that we know today. The dot was originally used as a placeholder, like how 0 is used in the number 505 to denote that there are no terms but was not yet a number in its own right. Brahmagupta, a scholar and mathematician in AD 628, first time defined 0 and its operation and developed a symbol from it, which is a dot, underneath the numbers. Then Aryabhata, a great mathematician and Indian astronomer, used 0 in decimal system. Now we understood the concept of 0. On 19 April 1975, India sent the first satellite in the space and it was named as Aryabhata to commemorate the great mathematician of India. Let's see.